saphriang kawai video ke Iathuh Lypa jong uwei pastor sepang ke jingjia saset jong Donaldtrump ha ke jingjia rally jong u hapen Salvania ke iasyriem Thik ke jingjia badang shen yau Donaldtrump Katba ke jingïakynad kadang kiew halor ke jingshah thombor jong u kyrtong ke Republican Donaldtrump ke jingialang elekshon jong u hapen Salvania Myn-Shuwa ke sngi ke video ke thymmai ke law saphriang ha kala ktah ya ke jingpyrkhat jong baroh kadau kalong ke kongsan la yo ba uwei pastor ukam ba ke jingpyrkhat penyap ya utram kalong ke jani daidur bat ke jingjia menta ke sngi kete ke video ke bala Iathuh bala ring lai banai Myn-Shuwa lapan ya ki baru ke jingkai lapa ke kampala ke dei sepang ke jingshah penyap jong utram agaba ke jingtip babnya kilong ki bala jani daidur bat ke jingshah thombor ke badang shen menta ke sngi ke jing Iathuh Lypa jong uwei pastor Khristan kandon ke jingpyrkhat ke thymmai jong ke jingïakynad ki don rengkat bat ki syarak hakti ngalioi ya utram ba kiew hanta ngayoi ya ke jingpyrkhat ban penyap ya ukuli ulayat haduk kata-kata hadan ke klik jong ba ul betei ya ke skor jong ulahap ha ke kejat bat sedang ban mane ya utrai ngalioi ba ula job ya ke elekshon la yo sngiu ba pastor Khristan uang ha ke video ini ke jingkran bal kran da pastor ha ke Iathuh Lypa jong
coming, it was being birthed, and it just kept spreading like fire all throughout America, all throughout. And I saw Trump rising up, and then I saw an attempt on his life. This bullet flew by his ear, and it came so close to his head that it busted his eardrum. And I saw he fell to his knees during this time frame, and he started worshiping the Lord. He got radically born again during this time frame. I'm talking. People say he's saved now, but he becomes really on fire for Jesus, for what I saw coming. And then I saw people interceding when I saw him winning the presidency through great. The Lord showed me it would go clear into the summer. Great persecution would come on him through the judges and through the law and all these people trying to sue him and all this stuff. But there would be a stop to it, and things would start to break free come toward the fall. And then I saw him winning the election through the Patriots coming out and voting, and then there will be a great economy crash. Yeah. I saw they had a great economy plan, a crash. Yeah. Worse than the Great Depression. And the Lord warned me about this. It would be a great dark time. But I saw paddles coming upon America's soil like a shocking of the soil. And I saw Donald Trump praying in the office of the Oval Office, and he was weeping before the Lord with his hands on his head like this, but he was weeping. And there was ministers and people. I don't know if they were senators or Congress people or whatever. I just saw them pacing and back and forth inside of the White House. I'm sorry, what is the White House, but it's the Oval Office. Yeah. And they were interceding all inside there, and I could feel the presence of the Lord so strong on this. And then I could see that darkness that was the heaviness upon America with the financial crisis of what I saw coming. It started to lift above the trees, and I saw the blue and the things coming back out, and the green times and the good times coming back again. But the Lord said it would be forth a time of a season of a shaking, and it would be a shaking to awaken. And in this, this would basically that He was not done with America. There would be a great revival come, and it's not all doom and gloom. That's what He said. The sky's not falling. There's a time of, it's like people would say, this is judgment. And the Lord said,